We are out here to make you understand that it's not every single thing that you buy when it just comes out. That's the reason why we have to buy, so you don't have to make that mistake that we made. Now I have this trigger here. This is supposed to be called the X Pro trigger. Then I have this particular one called X3 trigger. Then I have this one called X3 Pro. This is the X3 Pro trigger. I have this trigger. I bought this one when this one came out. It was a bomb. But one of the reasons why I had issues with this trigger was because I have to buy battery all the time. So if I don't see the battery, automatically I cannot use it. But I like the fact that the buttons are at the side. You can just easily control the light that you want to control. But this also does not have a lot of options. It has A, B, C, E. Now this one came out and it does not just have A, B, C, E. It has A, B, C, D, E. Then it has 1, 2, 3 to about a good amount. Now this menu is a monochrome. It's like just a black and white menu. Then this has some design. Now when they designed this, I think they designed it for the new set of lights, which is the new 8600 BM Pro, the other one Pro, AD100. Now the reason why I said that is because the lights that you see in these buttons, like you see red, green, like that, automatically helps you navigate your light. Your light, if your light is showing there is a specific light that they are adding to the light now, that when you look at it, a tally light, when you look at it from afar, you know if that light is A or B, C. So if you put your light group in group A, automatically the light will be showing red from afar. You'll be seeing red somewhere in the light. If you put it in group B, you'll be seeing green. If you put it in group C, seeing blue, like that. So this particular trigger was made for that. But I have a problem with this. The problem I have with this trigger is that the battery is good though, but the battery does not stay long. It does not stay long. Let me increase my brightness. Talked about it in my last video. So the battery does not stay that long until when this one came out. This one had Bluetooth option, has Wi-Fi option, also have longer life. I can proudly tell you that I bought this thing in February or so, February or January, and since then I can tell you that I've not charged this in more than 6 because the battery lasts me a month with continuous shooting. It lasts me a very long time compared to this. Now this one, the problem is you have to make sure you have spare battery in your bag because the battery dies very fast, and it dies when you're not expecting it to die. That's when this battery dies. But this one, the battery stays longer. But also you have to be moving around with a power bank because you might not be ready. But this one, let me say this one too might take you unexpected, but this one lasts too long for me to even notice that it have died. So I always keep these two in my bag as backup. But the day I forgot this particular one, trust me, I forgot every one of them. The day I forgot this particular one, I forgot every single one of them. So you can actually forget the 3 of them. So now, when it comes to shooting, this one does everything you need for your shoot. This one does everything you need for your shoot while this one watching. So don't be in a hurry to go and buy this one. If you have this one still does the work, but you have to be around with spare battery. Then if you have this one, you are safe. No need to go for the Pro of them. And this one is smaller, lighter. You can carry it around in your small pocket. Nobody will know that there's something there. This one bigger. My hand cannot cover this one. My hand can cover this one. So it's a choice. It's not that when it comes out, you have to rush go and buy it. If the features are features that you like, that would make you want to buy it, fine. But don't just go and buy because you saw a new feature in some. I'm taking God to beg you. That's the reason for this.